Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Heat Press Nation, and today I'm gonna show you how to sublimate a t-shirt. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications whenever we post or go live. Now, let's get started. One of the top reasons for sublimating onto a t-shirt is you get a photo quality image with super vibrant colors. Not only that, but since you're dyeing this shirt, the transfer doesn't feel like it's there at all, making it very light to wear. Lastly, sublimation is a permanent solution and has fantastic washability. If you're looking to get into sublimation, here's what you'll need. A sublimation printing system, a specialized printer, ink, and paper made for sublimation. If you want more information, you can head to heat.press/sublimation. For this video shirt, I'll print out my transfer with a Sawgrass printer using Sublimate HDE. You'll also need a heat press. Lastly, you'll need a 100% polyester shirt. Sublimation cannot use organic materials like cotton because the dye will not stick to it. For the best and clear results, go with 100% polyester. Using Sawgrass Print Manager to print our image, we're going to set it to the bypass tray for 13x19 prints and the color to vivid to maximize the printer's output. Then we're going to mirror the image if not already defaulted before printing. We recommend using a pressing pillow with sublimation to prevent hard press marks on your shirt. First, we're going to pre-press the shirt for 5 seconds to remove moisture from the shirt and ensure a smooth, flat surface for our transfer. You can use a t-shirt ruler, but I'm just going to eyeball where the design should go. We recommend covering your transfer with a piece of parchment paper to protect your heating element from any gas, dye, or bleed through. We also highly recommend placing a piece of parchment inside the shirt as well. Next, we slide our lower platen back in and set our heat press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. 385 to 400 degrees is usually the sweet spot. Once our shirt is done, avoid shifting the hot transfer on the surface of the shirt. If the ink is still hot, it may release on the shirt and leave a blurred look that's commonly referred to as ghosting. Usually, I'll just let the transfer air cool for 30 seconds before peeling. There you go. We have a gorgeous sublimated t-shirt that's soft with absolutely no feel. This transfer is soft, high resolution, and permanent. Everything you're looking for in a transfer. If you guys are interested in any of the materials that we used in today's video, they're all gonna be available in the description below. Also, if you're interested in learning more about sublimation, we have an entire masterclass that will also be available in the description below. I'm Chris from Heat Press Nation, and I'll see you guys in the next video.